Hello everyone, welcome to Tian's Data Cafe. It's good to meet you again. So thank you for clicking into this link. So in this video what we are about to learn is one of the must know Excel tip for data analytics. So what I'm going to show you is how to use the flash fill option. Okay, so in Excel there is an option called flash fill where we will teach Excel on how to extract data from a mixed data. Okay, for example, here we have kind of like three lists here. So the first column A contains the name of a customers, and the second column contains the phone numbers with their state code. So here the numbers inside the parenthesis bracket are the state code, and the 7-digit number following that is the phone number. So today in this video we don't have any work with the sales ID, so we can just talk about that later. So our task is we have to separate the state code and the phone number in two different columns. So we have to separate this 422 and the 7-digit number in two different columns. So first what we have to do is we have to teach Excel how to extract data. So first we extracted the data from the first case, that is we are gonna extract the state code from Timothy. So I just copied and then just place the cursor in the destined cell and then click paste. Okay, so now you have extracted the state code. So but this will not be the most efficient way if we keep on copy pasting the the state codes from the mixed data. So what we are going to do is select all the cells where the data has to be extracted and pasted, then go to data and then click on flash fill. So now Excel have already recorded how we extracted the data. So now when you click on flash fill, yeah, there you can see all the state codes have been extracted from the data. So now let's do it for phone number. So what we are going to do is copy the 7-digit phone number, click copy, place the cursor and then click paste. So yeah, now data extraction is recorded by Excel. But now in this case we are going to use the shortcut. So the shortcut for this is Control E. So first we are going to select the target cells and then I'm going to click on Control E. Yeah, there it did the same thing. So now we have successfully extracted the data from a mixed data. So we have separated the state code and the phone number in the most time efficient way, that is flash fill. So yeah, if you're new to this page, please do subscribe and share it to your friend who is an aspiring data analyst. So until then, see you, bye, do what you love.